Hiya folks, JD here, and today we're going to be looking at something a little bit different. This is the Hasaki K5. Now, we've had some great Hasaki drones over the past couple of months, or past year or so. We had the H5, we've had the smaller version as well, the red one. Now we've got the K5, or the H1 we had, sorry. Now we've got the K5. Now, with this particular quad, you charge it directly off its transmitter. Okay, you can charge externally if you want to, but the very appealing part of this is that you charge it directly off here. So everything's combined. You have your quadcopter charger, your transmitter, and your carrier all in one. I like that. I think this could be quite a nice little Christmas stocking filler if it flies well. So what I've been doing is I've been charging it. We've given it a bit of juice. We're going to see exactly how well she does on this indoor setting. This isn't an outdoor quad. No way this isn't an outdoor quad. This is a proper indoor quad. Just look at the size of it. That thing is tiny. So today we're going to just take her around. We're going to fly her. We're going to fly her around here. Look at that. How sweet. And we're going to see exactly how she does. I think she's going to be quite something. All right then, folks, let's just take her straight up. Right, so here we have it. Very, very nice package, very, very nicely presented. See, they think about things like this. I like nanocopters that have the charger and the transmitter and the carrier all in one. So what we're going to do first is we're going to pop on the quadcopter. It's been on charge for about an hour, hour and a half. And then we're going to, hopefully it should auto bind. Yep, down to the bottom right to calibrate the gyro. And then we're all good. And we've got one key takeoff, and then we should be up. Right. Ooh, little screamer. Little screamer. Looks okay. Ooh, that lid is going to be quite annoying, folding down on your hands. Right. So let me see. Speed mode 1 of 2. I'm going to take her around a little bit, and then we're going to try some of the features and see exactly how that goes. But bobbing up and down a bit. But I have had the heating on today. So it's probably a pressure differential, so I'm not too concerned about that. I've had quite a few quadcopters do that. I know that's down to the house and not down to them, so that's fine. Okay, well that white light at the front for orientation is really, really bright. If you're just turning her a little bit of yaw, you will find she has a bit of travel. But if you use a bit of yaw and a bit of roll at the same time in turning her, then she turns on a sixpence. Really, really nice. Okay, fine. So I'm happy with that. Let's move around for the second. Let's look, because I don't know how long this battery's going to last. I want to try and see if I can get some 3D flips in, which is just push down the right analog stick. Oh, see, it's really annoying that. And then when you push this down, it should be, yeah, there we go. So then push the direction once you push down the analog stick. Once you initialize the 3D rolls, it'll start to beep really loudly. And then you just push a direction and it starts to flip. That works quite nice, you know. Okay, so that's 2. We've done left, we've done right. Having to reposition myself quite a lot because I'm in the house. And then forward. And then if we do it again, back. No, that was to the left. Ooh, okay. Oh, back. If I push back, what's that? If I push back, it flips to the right. Oh, there we go, back. There we go, perfect. Right, good. Good, good, good. I was hoping that would be the case. Can you fly with this down? No. I'm going to try and see if I can position this a bit better. Let's get some trim on this. Try to stabilise this a little bit. And see how far we go. And then, if I can push this casing back on. Yes, you can fly with the casing on. That alters the issue of having your hands trapped underneath that little... or having this plastic casing keeping on banging your hands all the time. Now, as for this quadcopter and its charger, I have got the same 4 batteries in this that I had when I first put in here. I've charged this twice and I'm still able to pilot it. So that's not bad going, because I've tried recording this video twice. The first time my GoPro ran out of battery, so then I charged this back up, and the second time, which is the video that you're watching now, all in all, it flies really nicely. As we've seen with other Hasakees, indoors, they're beautiful. Now, this isn't an outdoor quad. This is an indoor pure quad. So there's no issue here. There's an issue with it going out. I'm not going to be taking it out. Right, rotation. Click that once, and it just rotates. Look at that. And that's not me. That's the quad. And then click to stop rotation. I don't know what the point of that is, but wow, that was quite fun. I'm going to do it again. So take it up to an altitude, and then push this rotation button, which is the same button as emergency stop. So click once for rotation, click and hold for emergency stop. So rotation. There we go, look at that. And then click to stop it. And then just find your bearings, reposition it, and that's it. Over the dog bed, let's try the emergency stop. Click and hold. Boom, and she's down. Right, excellent. And that is that. Right, so then we take it back up, lift off. 1 key lift off, perfect, no problem. Let's try the 1 key landing, same button. Ooh. Try and reposition her slightly. Bam, no problem. See, I love these quads. These are these really small quads. Oh, that's the... Oh, there we are, that's fine. I thought it was the battery light, but it wasn't. Must have just been me moving it. The gyro must have just felt it wasn't flat and was flashing the back lights. See, small quads like this, under promise and over deliver, and that's exactly what I like. You've got yourself an indoor quad that charges off the transmitter, right? Let's look at all this now. Charges off the transmitter, you can carry it on inside the transmitter. The power on and off button works. Rotation works, emergency stop works, take off landing works. You've got 4 directional 360 flips and 2 speed modes. You've got your full trim buttons here as well, so if you want to, you can trim her up to stop her moving around, which gives you a pretty stable quadcopter. You know, absolutely fantastic. Okay, you've got headless mode and return to home. I'm not going to really try to return to home. All that does is pretty much just brings the quadcopter back, just focuses on the transmitter and comes back at you. And then headless mode, well, headless mode inside this small house is going to be a nightmare, especially with my headless mode non-technical abilities. It's going to be an absolute nightmare. So this is what we've got. We've got a good quad, a cheap quad, small indoor quad, great for a stocking, great for Christmas, that looks after itself and flies very, very well, with quite a considerable battery, to be honest with you. I would expect this to be flashing the battery lights much sooner before this. We've done 360 flips, we've done speed switch, we've done take off, there's the battery lights, take off, landing, emergency stop and rotation. All in all, I can't really fault that. Right, let's keep it going until the quad takes itself down. All in all, I think this is a little winner. I really do. I think this guy is a little winner. Can't really fault it. Can't really fault it. Oh. So yeah, all in all though, folks, a lovely little thing. And try and trim it up the best you can. It's not going to be brilliant on trim, but to be honest with you, oh, there we go, and that's the end of the battery. That's her, she's down. And then when you want to charge her, you just turn everything off like this, knock off the quadcopter, knock off everything, pop it back in, turn on the transmitter and plug her in. Light goes solid. That's it. Beautiful. Alright then, folks, well, I can't say good enough things about this. What do you think? You saw it as well as I was flying it. I think it's really good. I think it's a really, really nice indoor quad. If you're bored of the winter and you just want a little cheap indoor flyer and you've flown all of yours to death, this guy. All product links are in the description, folks, should you want to find out more information. I like it. I can't say enough good things about it, just because it's simple, it's basic, it doesn't overpromise. Underpromise, overdeliver. That's exactly what this guy does. And it's really good. I really like it. I think I'm going to be seeing more of this guy as the time goes on. Alright then, folks, I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.